Just like last week, where there was an abysmal voter turnout of 7% for the Srinagar by-poll, things look no different in the re-poll that's taking place today after violence seared the voting on Sunday, leaving 8 people dead and more than 100 security personnel injured. The Election Commission ordered re-polling in some parts of the Srinagar constituency. Voting began at 7 a.m. It will end at 4 p.m. and the re-polling includes parts of Badgam near Srinagar where stone pelting and petrol bomb attacks were seen on Sunday. At the Kharapura polling station on the outskirts of Srinagar, which was hit by violence, not a single vote had been cast till 10 a.m. and there are over 300 security personnel appointed per booth.
Not a single vote has been cast so far. This is a very volatile area which saw widespread violence on Sunday and today. What we're seeing that additional security arrangements have been put in place. Though all the polling stations in Srinagar had been categorized as sensitive and hypersensitive, and there were additional security measures that were put in place, but that did not deter the protesters, the crowds who clashed with security forces, and polling now underway in 38 polling stations in Badgam district. 8 people were killed on Sunday, and that's precisely the reason that there is massive security presence, unprecedented security we've seen in all the elections so far. There is always great emphasis on security, but this time around it's unprecedented security arrangements. There are lots and lots of security force people who are deployed. The entire area has been sort of cut off, and we're told by senior police officers that a lot of people have been rounded up even before the polling. But despite all these security measures that are there, not a single person so far has come to cast his vote. In Kralpura with Amir Bhatt, Zafar Iqbal for NDTV.
Massive security for each polling booth. About 300 security force personnel have been deployed for the conduct of these re-polls. Yet nobody is confident what is going to happen. Massive, unprecedented security. But the way there was a large-scale violence on poll day on Sunday, when 8 civilians were killed, scores were injured, it was a tough time for the security agencies to deal with the situation. So that is the kind of thing. I can show you the polling booth, where polling booth is. This is the polling booth, the polling booth, and large number of security men have been deployed there and around this polling booth. Let's try to talk to some. Sir, large number of troops you have deployed here?
Of course.
Why it is so necessary for one booth? About 3 companies. CRPF is the main force.
Mainly for peaceful voting here.
But
it's the only reason.
Isn't it very unprecedented? What will happen in next elections if this is the level of security you have to maintain?
No, last time heavy stone pelting took place from this place.
Okay.
So preventing it, it was necessary.